I'm Chloe. I researched Hurricane Katrina. Hurricane Katrina happened from August 23rd to August 31st, 2005. Hurricane Katrina impacted the Gulf Coast of America, including Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, and a little of Florida. Hurricane Katrina was the worst hurricane in American history. In order to form a tropical wave, there needs to be warm air and wind that is at least 80 degrees Fahrenheit. A hurricane is a tropical wave moving at a fast wind speed. Hurricane Katrina formed near the Bahamas on August 23rd, 2005. It produced 10 to 20 inches of rain, flooding, and tornadoes. Katrina made landfall as a Category 4 hurricane with wind speeds reaching 145 miles per hour in southern East Louisiana. Then it weakened into a tropical storm on August 29, 2005. On August 31st, the tropical storm merged with a cold front. Hurricane Katrina went from a Category 1 to a Category 5 hurricane. According to the National Weather Service, 1,833 people died and more than 7,500 injuries were recorded. The property damage caused by Hurricane Katrina costed $161 billion. Hurricane Katrina damaged trees and power lines. About 800,000 housing units were destroyed or damaged in the storm. Affected people got help from the federal government, state government, and insurance companies. The people had to sign a lot of papers and prove their identity, which was hard because many people lost everything during Hurricane Katrina. Hurricane Katrina hit New Orleans the hardest. Mayor Kathleen Blanco created the Road Home program to help people rebuild their houses using the $4.2 billion the city of New Orleans received from the federal government on July 11, 2006. The program promised homeowners up to $150,000 to rebuild their homes. The Road Home program had many problems. The company in charge was not answering anyone's calls. Also, there was not enough staff to run the program. Out of the 105,375 people who applied, only 506 received money. That's less than 1%. There was discrimination, so homeowners in white neighborhoods got more money than people in black neighborhoods. In 2009, people were still trying to rebuild their homes. One good thing about the bad recovery during Hurricane Katrina was that officials learned what not to do during Hurricane Katrina recovery in 2012. Hurricane Katrina was the fourth strongest hurricane to impact the parts of America. While doing research on Hurricane Katrina, I realized how dangerous the hurricane was. I thought Hurricane Katrina only hit one state, but I found out that Katrina hit multiple states. This one hurricane ruined a lot of people's lives. Thank you for listening.